Welcome to Be Healthy and Wealthy TV. We all know that a balanced diet is key to a healthy life. Eating a variety of foods ensures we get the nutrients we need. But are you getting enough fiber? Many people don't realize how crucial fiber is for overall health. Fiber is a superhero nutrient that often gets overlooked. It plays a vital role in maintaining our health. It's essential for our bodies to function at their best. Regular intake of fiber can help prevent various health issues. Fiber keeps our digestive system running smoothly, like a well-oiled machine. It helps in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Without enough fiber, we can experience digestive discomfort and irregularity. This can lead to more serious health problems over time. This can make us feel sluggish and uncomfortable. Lack of fiber can also affect our energy levels and overall well-being. But fiber does so much more than just keep things moving. It helps control blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol, and aids in weight management. Incorporating more fiber into your diet is easier than you think. Start by reading food labels and choosing high-fiber options. Simple changes like adding more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can make a big difference. So, make fiber a priority in your diet and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more energetic life. Introducing All Natural Fibre, your daily dose of goodness. This revolutionary product is designed to seamlessly fit into your lifestyle, providing you with the essential nutrients you need to thrive. Packed with an abundance of natural fiber, it supports your health and well-being in numerous ways. From aiding digestion to boosting your energy levels, All Natural Fibre is your go-to solution for a healthier life. Say goodbye to digestive woes and hello to a happier, healthier you. Imagine feeling light, energetic, and ready to take on the day with a smile. All Natural Fibre is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, this product fits effortlessly into your schedule. Add it to your morning smoothie for a nutritious start to your day, sprinkle it on your yogurt for a delicious and healthy snack, or mix it into your favorite recipes to boost their nutritional value. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immense. Make All Natural Fibre a part of your family's daily routine and watch as everyone enjoys the benefits of better digestion and improved overall health. All Natural Fibre, your health, our priority. Start your journey to a healthier you today. What sets All Natural Fibre apart is its commitment to natural ingredients. Unlike many other products on the market, All Natural Fibre is dedicated to providing you with the purest, most wholesome ingredients available. You won't find any artificial additives or nasties in this product. This means no preservatives, no artificial colors, and no artificial flavors. Just pure, natural goodness that your body will thank you for. It's made with the finest natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that not only tastes great, but also nourishes your body from the inside out. With a whopping 8 grams of fiber per serving, All Natural Fibre packs a powerful punch. This high fiber content helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. This includes 6 grams of insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to your stool and promotes regularity. Regular consumption of insoluble fiber can help prevent constipation and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, it contains 2 grams of soluble fiber, which dissolves in water and helps lower cholesterol levels, keeping your heart healthy and happy. Soluble fiber can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar. By incorporating All Natural Fibre into your daily routine, you're not just making a choice for better nutrition, but also for a healthier, more active lifestyle. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits for your overall well-being. So why wait? Embrace the natural goodness of All Natural Fibre today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Your body will thank you for it. It's time to prioritize your health and well-being with All Natural Fibre, the ultimate choice for a better you. This incredible product is your secret weapon for a happier gut and a healthier heart naturally. Embrace the power of natural fiber and experience the amazing difference it can make in your life. Give All Natural Fibre a try today and truly feel the difference. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this.